Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I would like to show you this sportive hairstyle with two Dutch braids in the middle and some small bubble braids by the side. For this hairstyle I took the crown hair, so I make a slightly oval shape on the top from the head, just the hair from the crown, clip that away for the time being. Then I'm taking the remaining hair and I'm doing normal 3-strand braid. I don't like to put a hair tie into fresh washed hair because normally one can see it and later you have a mark or whatever in the hair. Now I take the crown hair and we're going to split it in the middle. I'm just clipping the hair that I'm not parting away so that it does not mess up with the rest. And now I do another parting, more or less 2 fingers wide. Here you see it. And so that the scalp is tied, I put there in a hair tie. And I'm going to do the same thing with the left hand side. Now you have one part loose, 2 hair ties, so around the section that we start to braid, that will be the first Dutch braid in the middle on the left hand side, you have the skull tightened and it's easier to braid for me like this. Try that. I'm attaching using some hair gel, applying some hair gel. Then I take the front strand, split it into 3 equal strands, and I start a regular Dutch braid. So you bring with the first stitch just the right under the middle, then the left under the middle, and now you are going to add in some hair every time that you are bringing the outer strand under the middle. Do this until you reach the end of the parting, when you have no more hair to add in, because we do not want these braids to be braided until the end, as they are going to be part of the ponytail. Make an extra stitch and then tie with a hair tie everything together. So here you see, this is actually about 2 or 3 stitches more. It's just that you can bring it over the ponytail. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right hand side. I'm applying the hair gel with a toothbrush to be more precise. Taking again the front section, splitting it into 3 equal strands. Here you see, 1, 2, 3. Bring left under the middle now, then right under the middle, and left under the middle, add in a portion of hair. And again, right under the middle, add in a portion of hair, and do this again until you reach the end of your part line where you have no more new hair to add in. Then do some extra stitches and tie the whole braid together with a little elastic. These are our 2 middle braids, and I'm combining them now with another hair tie. Then I start to do the side sections. Here I don't take the gel that I have to apply with the toothbrush. I'm using spray gel because it's easier to work with. And I like spray gel a lot for bubble braids because even you apply the product, you still can form the bubbles by widening it a bit if you want that. Same thing on the right hand side. So always make a little ponytail, then combine it with the next section and do this until the end. It's one of the easiest things to do. It's not really a braid, but It's called a bubble braid and looks nice. Put the 4 braids now in the front with the hair tie and make the high ponytail. You want this ponytail to look neat, so I'm using gel again. My model loves to do sports, so this should last a bit. Attaching the hair tie, nice and fluffy, and then bringing the 2 braids crossed under the ponytail. Ask your model to hold while you are attaching another hair tie. I'm taking a dark one now so that it does not peek out under the rest of the hair. This will give an extra volume to the ponytail, you see? And the other braids are attached over, and this is our final result. 2 Dutch braids in the middle, bound our ponytail, and then the 2 bubble braids that are crossed around the ponytail to give some extra volume. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking, and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. See you back soon. Bye bye.